She's here. She's finally here. Warning, be very quiet. I'm hunting handbags. I'm so excited. Can you tell already how excited I am? Good Lord, I've been waiting for this all day. Hey, welcome back to my channel and all that good stuff. Let's just get to it. This is a Fashionphile unboxing. I actually bought this item like 4 years ago and ended up returning it, which I'll go into later. I wanted to come on and unbox it with you so you can see my initial reaction. I know it's going to be good because I always have luck with Fashionphile. I rarely return anything. So let's get to the unboxing. So it comes with all the confetti, the Fashionphile confetti that always comes in the package. And then it also, of course, comes with a Fashionphile nail file. And on the back it says, "I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet," which is a quote from Carrie from Sex and the City. So if you're not familiar with Fashionphile, it's a second-hand luxury reseller. So they have handbags, they have shoes. They don't have clothes, but they have like jewelry, etc. And I really like Fashionphile because I trust their authenticity process, and they have really good pictures on their website so that you're able to really take a look at things before you buy them. This item was listed as excellent condition, and I haven't received an item from them that wasn't accurately described on their website. All right, let's take a look. And all of their items come in the Fashionphile dust bag. So you get a free dust bag. So what I picked up was the Saint Laurent Lulu in the small size. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, let me just take a look at the bag and I'll be right back. Okay, so I took a look at the bag and I took a look at the listing on the things that it said was should be evident on the bag in terms of wear and tear. And it said that the outside or the exterior should have marks on it, which with my naked eye, I can't really see any marks. It also said that the interior should have some surface wear or some imprints, and I really can't see. Oh, it also came with the original Saint Laurent dust bag, so there's that. It didn't come with the box, and I really don't see, I mean, at my first glance, what the surface wear on the inside would be. And then the hardware has faint scratches. That's on the listing, which I really don't see. So yes, I would say this bag is in excellent condition. It doesn't even look like whoever owned it before wore it. The color is called Storm, so it's in this dark gray color with gold hardware. So let me just take the chain out. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, I mean, it smells brand new, actually. I don't even think the person that had this before wore it. It smells brand new. It looks brand new. Wow. I'm scared to even handle it because I don't want to put any marks on it. So let's take a closer look at the bag, why don't we? When you buy something from Fashionphile, it comes with a certificate of authenticity, and then it also comes with this little tag. So once you cut this off, you're not able to return it. This is considered an envelope bag because of the envelope shape of it, the triangle flap. It's made of calfskin leather, of course, the gold hardware, and when you open it up, it has two compartments separated by an inner zipper compartment and then a back pocket. The interior, as you see, is just black. The zipper compartment seems pretty small, but I think if it was any bigger, then it would take away space from the rest of the bag. I mean, already with this zipper separator, it probably makes the bag not fit as much. I don't know. I'll have to put my things inside to see how much it fits, and I'll probably do a separate video with a full review and what fits inside. It has a magnetic button closure and like this little lip on the button, and the back just looks like this. There's no back pocket, and the bottom is just smooth leather with no feet. Okay, so let me just tell you how I came about buying this bag. This color is no longer available. I've been searching for this color combination for a long time. So a week or two ago, Fashionphile was running this 10% off of purchases sale. So whenever I see that pop up, I go to all of the items that I'm following to see if any of those items apply to the 10% off. And although this one didn't, it was still a really good price. So this bag retails for $2,650. Yeah, I know. But on the website, it was, I think, $1,700. So that's almost $1,000 cheaper than the retail price. I mean, I would really think long and hard at paying full price for an expensive Saint Laurent item. Anything over $2,000, I would think long and hard about buying new, because Saint Laurent doesn't really maintain their value. And so I mentioned that I had bought this bag a few years ago, but not in this colorway. I bought the black one with the gold hardware from Nordstrom about 4 years ago. And I ordered it online, and when I got it, it looked like they just threw it in the box. There was no packaging. I don't even remember them putting a dust bag on it. I think it just came wrapped in plastic. And when I pulled it out, it had like all these scratches on it. The leather was indented, and it looked like someone had bought it and returned it. Bought it and wore it for a while and then returned it. So I returned it to Nordstrom, and it's always been on my mind. It's always been a bag that I've wanted. All right, so that is what I bought. And I just want to mention that although I am happy with the bag, and of course I'm gonna keep it because I'm already in love. I can't wait to wear her. Like, I want to go somewhere tonight. I want to go somewhere now so I can put her on. Let's put her on now. Okay, so this is where it falls. I'm 5 feet, so it just falls right there when you wear it shoulder. And then also you can wear it crossbody. When I wear it crossbody, this is where it sits. Perfect. So like I was saying before I was distracted about wanting to wear it, Fashionphile's return policy has changed in the last few years. So you only get 15 days from the date it was shipped to be able to return it. So you better figure out really quickly whether or not you want to keep it. But luckily, I do love it. I do want to keep it. I mean, I feel like, you know, you'll just have to pry it out of my cold, dead hands. But what if I wasn't sure? You know, what if what if there was something wrong with it and I, needed a little time to figure out if I wanted to keep it or not? I only have like a week to do that. So this is the newest addition to my handbag family. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more unboxings, more handbag reviews, more hauls, more of all of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.